Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download monday.com for Agile project tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type www.monday.com and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the Get Started button on the home page. Click on the Get Started button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email and create a secure password. After entering your details, click on Sign Up. You might receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and look for the email from monday.com. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. After verification, return to the monday.com website. Now, log in using your email and password. Once logged in, you'll be guided through a setup process. Select the type of projects you want to manage. You can choose options like marketing, development, or sales. Next, explore the templates available for Agile project tracking. Pick a template that best suits your project needs. After selecting a template, click on Use Template. You will be directed to your project board. Here, you can add tasks and assign team members. To download the mobile app, scroll to the bottom of the page. Find the links for the App Store and Google Play. Click the link that corresponds to your device's operating system. For iOS, click on Download on the App Store. For Android, click Get It on Google Play. After you've clicked the link, you will be directed to your App Store. Click Install or Get to download the app. Once the app is downloaded, open it on your device. Log in using the same email and password. You are now ready to use monday.com for Agile project tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.